Hello everyone, this is Becky Foodie. Today's menu will be cream of mushroom soup. Making soup from scratch is not very difficult. Give it a try and you will know what I mean. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Dice the onions. Slice the mushrooms. Finally, chop the parsleys. That's all for the preparation. And the cooking begins. At medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of butter. When it's almost melted, add in the onions and fry for 2 minutes. Once the onion starts to turn transparent, add in mushrooms and stir till softened. Add in salt, pepper, rosemary, and 2 tablespoons of parsley. Mix well and add in cornstarch. Add in the chicken stock. Cover the lid and simmer for around 13 minutes. Stir them occasionally until the soup becomes thickened. Once the soup consistency is what you want, turn heat to low. Add in the heavy cream and give it a taste. Add in more salt or pepper if required. Finally, add in the parsley. And it's done! Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click on like if you like the video. Let us know what food you'd like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!